Now that we have all of our walls in our maze, let's focus on getting our 6 holes into our CAD file. The way that we are going to do this is very similar to the walls, but instead of using rectangles, you've guessed it, we are using circles. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a 2D sketch. Just like we've been doing, let's click inside of our maze, and let's start off with our first hole. I'm going to focus on this one first. And what we want to do is go up and grab our circle tool, and I'm just going to estimate about how close and where this is. So I'm going to click one time here, and this will allow you to start sizing up your circle. Just like the maze walls, we can type in our dimension. Instead of trying to get this perfectly on 0.75, let's just type 0.75. Now if we need to move this circle at all, what we're going to do is dimension from the very center. Don't grab this, don't click this. You want to click this very center dot. Now you need to find something to dimension it to, so I'm going to click up to here, and let's make this 0.5. You see how that moved that up. If we needed to move it down, we can double click to edit a dimension. The higher or bigger the dimension is, it's going to move that farther away. But I think it looks better with 0.5. Let's do the same to the left side. So again, click once in the center of the circle, then click on this, and this is going to be 0.5. Once I'm happy with where that hole is at, it looks just like it does in my drawing, I'm going to do Finish Sketch. Now just like the walls, we're going to do Extrude, but we don't want this going up. We actually want to click Flipped. So when we do that, it is going to cut a hole for our wall. Let's do one more together. Let's go up and do this one here. So I'm going to go over, oops, I'm missing a wall here. Let's do this one here. Okay. Start 2D sketch in our maze, circle, let's go right here, 0.75 for our diameter. Whoa, our circle is inside of here, so we definitely need to dimension this. Let's click the center of the circle, this side here, click down one more time to set our dimension, and let's make that 0.5. I'm going to do it up to the top, 0.5, and we are good to go there. Finish sketch, extrude, again, flipped, and that will cut our hole. Hopefully this helps. Let me know if you need help.